This video I'll be making some igniters. So basically you just plug in the cord and then it lights. Just need duct tape, some matches, steel wool, wire, and then a knife of some sort and pliers. Of course, an adapter. I've modified this a little bit, but there is no right way to do the connections. I just have one of these things and a clip. Ideally I'd have two of these, but I only have one, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step is take your wire. It really doesn't matter what type. I'm using aluminum because it's light. I have a little scrap and it's really easy to bend. Cut it into about an inch section. As many as, or it takes two for each igniter. So I'm just gonna cut this up. Okay, so time to move on to the matches. You finish that with the match and do a groove. Hold the flat part of this, do a groove on the top. Just cut down the center and do a little V cut so it doesn't crack. Done it? Do it each igniter you're gonna make. Behold, it's done. So this is what it looks like afterwards. The wire is nice and tight in there. There's a wire tightly under here. So this is a completed thing. You just need to plug it into your adapter and you're ready to do it. So I'm going to do the rest of them. They're all rigged up. Now, oh wait, better angle. So, you get to see how instantaneous it is.